Good morning, first graders. Welcome to our new math unit. So this next few weeks we'll be talking about some shapes and different parts of shapes. And today we're really thinking about I can name shapes and I can identify attributes, which means that you can name different parts of the shape. Did you know that even just that shapes have a name, but they also all have different parts? So in your new packet, you got a few papers that are called reference papers, and they're kind of like our anchor charts that we have. And so I want to first talk to you about this sheet. And this sheet, it says 3D shapes up here. 3D shapes are things that that aren't flat. So they have more, they're kind of, they're a real thing. So there's a bunch of different shapes on here and then it tells you a few things about them. So that's something that you can look at and think about. And on the other side, these are 2D shapes. So 2D shapes are flat. They don't come off the paper. And there's a bunch of different shapes that you could trace if you'd like to practice their names. And so, for example, my friends, I wanted to show you a few 3D shapes that I had brought from school. And so one of the 3D shapes I brought is this. See how I can hold it in my hands? It's a 3D shape. And this is a cylinder. I see the round sides. I see this part. Here's another 3D shape. All the sides are the same size. This is a cube. So we have a cylinder, a cube, and then I have this one. I see that this side's really skinny, this side's kind of wider, it has some shorter sides here, longer sides along here. This is a rectangular prism. I can see that this shape is a rectangle, this part of it. So those are a few different shapes that I brought, some 3D shapes home. But then I want to talk to you about some of these papers that you have. So this first one is the surface of a shape. So it's also called just the face. So it says that a face or side of a solid figure. And that's another way to say a 3D figure. So this is a cube. So a cube has 6 flat surfaces. So I can look at my cube here and I can count. I gotta make sure that I am keeping track. You could also do this on a dice, which is also a cube. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one in the back is 6. So it has 6 surfaces, 6 faces. This cylinder though, check out this cylinder. I see all around is round. Can you guess how many surfaces or faces this one has? Just 2. 1, 2, 2 flat parts. Great. So on the back of that one, it says a vertex or vertices. So is a corner on a solid figure. So this is a pyramid shape, and it says a pyramid has 5 vertices. So when I look at my cube, I can also count the vertices. I see this is a corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, and underneath 5, 6, 7, 8. A cube has 8 vertices. All right, here is an edge. So an edge is the line where 2 flat surfaces meet. A rectangular prism has 12 edges. And I can see that here. Here's my rectangular prism. I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way on, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I didn't count any of them twice. I made sure that I see where these two flat surfaces are meeting. This flat surface and this flat surface, they meet to make an edge. And now this one is more about is kind of a repeat. It's a part where it's for the flat shapes, the 2D shapes, a vertex again. But this is where a point where two sides meet again. And so a square, remember, not our cube, different than our cube, has 4 vertices. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, just the corners. And then here's a side, which is also for a 2D shape. And it's a line that makes a shape, and it can be flat or round. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 1, 2, 3. So my friends, these papers are really important, all of these, for you to look back at and for you to be thinking about while you're doing your math worksheets today. So there's a lot of different things that you can choose from to work on today, and I can't wait to see some of your work. And I hope that while you are doing your work, and then when you're out and about or around your house, you can think about, ooh, what shape is that? What 3D shape is that? Can I count its sides, its vertices, its surfaces? So I hope you have a great time with that. I hope you enjoy your day and have a great week.